Of course, thank you to our PSDM family as well. Maraming salamat. And last but not least, thank you to Kay Barcunaran. How was the food? Masarap.
Natas tayo kanina, pero
Masarap.
nagdagal ang pagiging mom, partner to Daniel, and being a daughter, plus yung work mo as a celebrity.
So, meron po tayong shampoonato dyan, guys, to warn off the gloomy vibes of the past week. Please do enjoy.
Ahead of time, alam ko na yung very
Organized and scheduled.
yes.
Mapapaganda ba
Thank you,
namin
first reveal.
sa movie or teleserye?
Thank you also sa ating po. Check, check.
Next year, sana po matuloy. At sana ibigay ni God.
Okay.
Maraming
Ito
salamat
was
din
a
po.
style icon.
Wow.
What does style mean for Sophia?
Style is beauty.
Okay. Ano yun?
Style is beauty and yung style mo is how you express yourself. So, if you know how to style yourself, you look pretty. And do whatever you want with confidence.
What's the usual style of or get up of Sophia?
Very simple pants, shirt with nice shoes, and a very nice bag. Kahit simple lang, but there's also the...
Bakit stay po muna kayo umuwi at stay po kayo. May ano pa po kami ni Nika.
What have you been so active in showbiz lately?
I'm not so active, but am I active? I'm active on
Thank
social
you,
media.
Okay.
So, which I'm very happy also na kahit active on TV. I'm
Thank you so much.
Yeah, which is such a blessing for me.
Guys, kuha po kayo ng inumin. Manila Craft will be here with us for a couple of hours more. Kaya sulitin po natin ang aming mga
Alam
drinks
ko, kasi I'm
before.
very
Yung mga
hardworking. I don't want to stop
paggabi.
in this industry.
Dami pang food.
So I want to be...
Picture tayo kasama ni Lester.
But I want them to know that I'm
Sure,
productive.
sure.
I still want to connect with other people, yung sa audience natin. Kasi, alam mo na, yung work is off. Medyo takot tayo dyan.
Si Hope na rin yung dala.
So wala pa. I don't plan to stop anytime soon.
Okay. Do you prefer being a fashion
Meron pa tayo ulit
more
sa
than
ako
being
guys,
an
ha? Kaya
actress?
wait lang. Wala mo nang
For
umuwi,
now,
lalo
opo.
na sa mga distributors
For now.
po natin.
Kasi I believe I'm good at it.
Uh-huh.
And hanggat wala pa pong blessing from ABS, at least I'm also busy with something else. And to show people na I'm not stopping from work.
And you're still visible.
Opo.
Okay. How do you maintain your showbiz friendship with the likes of Katrin,
Granny.
Sarah? What's the secret?
Authenticity lang talaga siya.
Okay.
You know naman, ako ever since I'm very transparent. If I love you, I'll fight for you.
And you spend time.
Yeah,
with
time
them.
is very important.
Okay. What message can you give to your fans who are always very supportive, defending you no matter what?
Huwag kayo mapapagod, mahal ko kayo. And as long as I'm here for you guys also. Hindi ko ibabaliwala yung mga effort niyo para sa akin.
Any plans of sundan ang ating baby?
Sana po in the future, I could see myself having another one.
So guys, stick around.
Of
Pati
course,
sa
I
mga
wanna
friends
do
natin, to
more.
all our
I wanna
guests,
prove
friends from the
myself
media,
pa at
if you
I
can
wanna do
stay
more
for,
projects. I have
wala
so
naman
much
po kayong
things
mga
to do
event pupuntahan sa
that
mga
pwede ko pang
location.
magawa.
Thank you, Doc.
I mean, marating pala.
Okay, thank you.
Sophia, ano lang, how do you feel na parang yung career mo parang naka-redirect?
Doc, may we have something for you.
Ikaw ba nag-plano nun or talagang dumating na lang siya? Yung parang more on influencer ka mo.
I'm also into fashion din kasi I'm very maarte. So parang nadala na lang po siguro. And then I think people appreciate it. So baka ganun lang din kaya nagtuloy-tuloy.
Hindi ba ba, siyempre marami ngayon yung mga, alam mo naman yung sa mga fashion mo, may mga nag-aaway-away.
Ay,
Hindi ka
wala.
ba nakatanggap ng mga ganun?
Wala, parang I'm not there yet to have kaaway. Parang wala pa naman. Parang I don't wanna get involved also. Pero syempre, I'm family.
Yes.
Mahirap na.
Nagiging ano ba, napili ka na sa work because you're a mom na you're busy with your family, parang gano'n.
Medyo nalimitahan po. I didn't also expect na magiging ganun. So syempre, I don't know, bigla na lang ako naging conservative. Parang not naman conservative, pero medyo limitado na. Syempre, I want my daughter to see her mom as, you know, wholesome naman po.
Anong masasabi mo na even you're not visible sa TV, may mga naniniwala pa rin ng mga endorse ng mga product like this?
Alam po, one thing lang po talaga sa akin. I always pray every day kung ano po yung dumadating sa akin. I know that it's meant for me and I will take care of it. Pag po nabigyan ulit ng project, why not? Diba po? I'm just here.
Your last project yung Iron Heart,
Yes.
di ba?
Yes.
So, how is it working? You still have communication with your co-stars there?
Meron naman po. Meron naman.
How about, di ba, you're also friends with Danya. Nung nag-iwalay ba yung dalawa, nawala na rin yung friendship mo? Because you're more uncomfortable mo, parang gano'n.
No naman po. Actually, my partner is close to DJ talaga. So they still hang out. Ako ay hang out with Karen. Wala namang bad blood.
Pero hindi ka nahihirapan. Kasi syempre parang nakikita ka sa dalawa. Di ba kasi syempre as a friend, or a close friend, you got to
Yeah. I respect both sides.
Yes.
Kasi syempre sila yung mas nakakaalam. So, I'm fair.
Are you open working with them soon? Kung sakali, may movie or project?
Ako po wala naman bad blood. Basta po magka-work ako, magkaroon ng projects, of course for my daughter din. And para din sa mga pang-shopping. I'm just kidding. Pang bangko din.